Alright, today I am going to be making ramen noodles with cheese and butter. Alright, cheesy, buttery ramen noodles, absolute goodness. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take the ramen noodles, pull it out the package, pull the flavor packet in. You guys know this routine by now, right? I'm going to pull the flavor packet out, shake it a little bit. Shake it up. And I'm going to take a cheese, place it right here on the bottom, just like so. Take the flavor packet, open it up, pour it right on the middle of the cheese, and then here comes the magic right here. This is butter. Flavor protected in a flavor protected wrapper. Okay? The butter's right here. This is half a stick of butter. I'm trying to be healthier, so I'm not going to use a half stick of butter. I'm going to use half of a stick of butter. Alright, so I'm going to cut this half a stick of butter. Cut the half stick of butter. And then place it on top right there. And it may be a little bit bulky. If it's a little bit bulky, you're just going to cut the half a stick of butter in half. And then cut the half a stick of butter in half as well too. And then you have 4 halves of half a stick of butter sitting right in there. It's okay. And then scrape the extra stuff like right there. And then you're going to take the block of ramen noodles, and then you're going to break it in half or maybe in thirds, depending on how it breaks. And then once I have that, I'm going to take some water, pour this out of the rapid ramen cooker, up into the line, and then I'm going to place it in the microwave for about 3.5 to 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Alright, after about 3.5, 4 minutes, I'm going to bring it out. Be careful because this will be hot, alright? Be careful. Alright, so I'm going to bring it out. And as you can see, it is already looking like absolute goodness. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Look at that. The butter, the cheese, the seasoning, the ramen, it's all in there. I'm going to stir it up so you can get the cheese to permeate the noodles, all right? I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite recipes right here. So I'm going to stir this up, and as you can see the cheese starting to come out and permeate the noodles, okay? So this is really good recipe of mine. I highly recommend this. This is one of my better recipes that I've had. If you've ever tried a lot of my recipes, a lot of you have been fans for a long time now, tried a lot of my recipes. I put this up here as one of the most satisfying ramen noodle recipes that I have. Check it out. Look at it. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, let me know.